अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि एमएस जो ऑफिस है उसके सॉफ्टवेयर की डेफिनेशन। तो सबसे पहले मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर इज एमएस वर्ड। व्हाट इज द एमएस वर्ड? एमएस वर्ड इज द वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन. एमएस वर्ड इज यूज्ड for the create applications, letters, CV, and resumes, notice paper, question papers, cyber timetables, notice book, certificate, and etc. And second software is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint. What is the PowerPoint? PowerPoint is the software of MS Office used for the academic presentation, animation, slideshow, and video slide etc. Next is Excel. What is the Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program used to store, organize, calculate, and analyze data. It arranges data in rows and columns and critical tools both business and academic search. Next is what is the MS Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager primarily used in email application. It combines emails, calendar, scheduling, contact management, and task tracking into the centralized workspace. Thank you so much.